Hello, I'm Becky Calvert with Make Revolution TV, and today we're going to tour the front of house area of Deno's craft shop. Sandy's going to take us on a little tour and show us what they've got to offer. Thank y'all. Okay, so I'm here with Sandy, and we're just kind of going to get a little tour of her new shop.
Let's see. Pin wraps. So we sell pins. We have wraps from Mr. Nova's for them. That'll never go away.
Nice.
Nice. And then we do the t-shirts, of course, and they can pick out
Decals?
transfers. And we'll press them on the spot if they want, just like we were doing all day yesterday. This is just kind of like a craft
Catch-all,
yeah. So anything you need for crafting, we still have a few shipments that gotta come in, and hopefully we'll fill this space up eventually. This is our sublimation area right here. We have epoxy and more sublimation.
Okay.
And of course our very own Deno cups. We are going to carry the yarn, and they use this yarn, which I found very interesting because it doesn't fade when you put it on and wash it. So they use that for the dishcloth.
So will you possibly be doing that for some of your classes?
So we are going to have a girl come in and teach a couple of classes with that.
Nice.
So it'll be interesting. This is our transfers. They can pick through here. We have all kinds of designs. We literally cater to our local ACES group or football team, and all the sports actually, because they're pretty good here. So
yeah,
we have lots of transfers for them.
Okay. Could you do some custom ones? Like if I wanted something for my local stuff, can I order that online?
Yes. Yep.
Great.
And then of course we sell the paints, and we have two moms in here. We got the vinyl and the foils, and more decals and transfers, and more over here too. Sticky sheets.
A lot of options.
Yes.
Love that.
More epoxy and glitter, of course.
Okay,
and that's what it's about, right?
Yeah, so we could really just come and shop and get everything we need.
You can.
Or, how do they book classes, like if they want to do that?
So in the next couple of weeks, we'll have it online, and it'll show the schedule of the classes and what that class is going to pertain to. They'll click on a link and they'll go purchase their class spot.
Cool. So is that like an individual, like I'm just by myself and I want to join a class, or do I have to have a big group to do that?
Nope. You can. So we're going to do parties, or we're going to do single spots. So our first one is going to be a glitter shoe class, and we'll have 30 spots opened up, and anybody can join us. It's actually going to be for kids. So if they're a certain age group, and we're still trying to figure that out. We have a couple kids going to come in this week so we can test them out, just to be, because we want to be right. And so once we figure that out, we'll get that on there.
I saw those sitting at the front. Let's go over and let's just get a little sneak peek of those shoes. They were super cute.
They are cute. These ones are actually done for me from Jackie. She's the one that actually taught me how to do glitter shoes, so we're pretty excited about it.
Very cute. Well, I love that it's something, the kids will probably really love that, and that would be a fun birthday party. Like we're renting jump houses and we're renting out, mini golf, where this is something they could take a product home to.
Yes, and they'll take them home with them, and there's nothing unsafe about doing the glitter shoes at all. It's literally stuff like glue, and then you heat set it with a hair dryer.
Oh, nice.
So no more than what you do with your hair at home. So.
Right. Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. And I love all the little products that you've got with your logo and stuff on it. Very, very cute. So I guess we've just kind of got like the entry area here.
Yeah, so we just decided to make a sitting area. When Dennis and I go somewhere, I like to walk around and look at everything, and him not so much sometimes. He goes through there like lightning fast, and then he's done. So he likes to go rest.
Right.
So
this is kind of the men's lounge with a little coffee bar over in the corner. So the husbands can hang out here if they want while we're shopping around, or I guess while the moms are waiting on the class to get done with the kids, whatnot.
Yep.
All right. I love that. Well, thank you so much for the tour.
Thank you.